Hello everyone, my name is Iman and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to set up Shopify payments. As a beginner, if you're starting out Shopify store, you must know how to set up Shopify payments. Here you can see that I have recently created my Shopify account and this is the trial version which I'm using right now. Here you can see we have already added the first product over here. But to add Shopify payments is one of the trickiest thing out there. At the bottom left corner, click on Settings and after that find Payments. Once you click on Payments over here, on the right side we will have some few options which you can choose it from. The first thing you will see PayPal over here. Additional payment methods. Payment methods that are available with one of Shopify's approved payment providers. That means these are the two like PayPal and Amazon Pay are most efficient way to transaction your money. That is why it's over here and obviously it is approved by Shopify itself. Why not? Obviously these are some huge name out there like PayPal and Amazon Pay. I must say you need to include this as well. At the bottom we have payment capture method, manual method, and at the top we have Shopify payments. That means if you click on complete account setup, you will end up over here. Here you can see that third party payment providers. That means we have so many other payment providers also which you can add to your Shopify store. If you don't see something like this, at the top right corner, you just need to click on this filter icon and you will see related to your payment providers. Let's say you want only Apple Pay payment providers. Just click on that and this will show up those who have Apple Pay. Stripe provides Apple Pay, so you can add this one. We have CyberSource, we have Tap Payments, so you can go ahead and select that as well. We have more options over here like Visa, Union Pay, Oman Net, and Misa, and we have MasterCard, Maestro, Marda, JCB, and there's a lot of stuff out there which you can choose it from. For me, I'm going to click on American Express, Apple Pay, why not? We have Visa, and obviously the last one would be Discover, and I'm going with this one. Let's say you want only these one, so you can just go ahead and select this one, and you can add gateway ID, even the password if you have already the account for this specific payment provider. Once you do that, this will connect it to your Shopify store. After that, we have manual method. Manual method is like obviously the sounds like manual method, right? You just need to click on this one and we have bank deposit, money order, cash on delivery and create custom method. Cash on delivery, we all know that if you click on this one, obviously this will add it as cash on delivery, right? And we have money order and we have bank deposit. You can add your bank and additional bank details obviously. You can activate your bank through your Shopify store and they will transfer money to directly to your bank. But it might deduct some transaction fee, so make sure to remember that. And if you want to create your custom payment method, you think that there is no way you can add your payment over here, you just go ahead and click on create custom payment method. Once you do that, payment method name and additional details and payment instructions. So once the customer come to your store and try to buy something, they will see this name and they want to transfer some money to your bank account obviously. So once they click on this name, let's say I name this as demo and they click on demo, they will see these instruction and additional details related to this bank details. So after that, they can easily transfer money to you and you can approve that. And then after that, they can purchase those things. You have obviously whatever you are selling. So you can activate this custom payment method from over here as well. So last we have supported payment methods. Like I said, one of Shopify's approved payment providers. So let's see how many are there. If you click on that, we have search by payment method or search by provider. We have already seen the third party provider, but we can also search them over here as well. Let's say payment method. What is payment method? Let's say if you want only Visa cards, right? Click on that and we will see only Visa payment method over here which you can choose it from. You can see there's a lot of them over here. We have American Express and even MasterCard. You can also add that as well over here. Not only Visa. So let's say if I want to add MasterCard as well, you can do that as well over here. So these are some keywords which you can add and you can see how many and which method is very good for you. And make sure to check the transaction fee, otherwise sometimes it shows like 5 transaction fee or 2 transaction fee. So make sure to check all of them, but right now it is approved by Shopify, that's why it's showing up as 0%. So there's no charges, extra charges they will deduct. So we have payment provider. What is payment provider? It's very easy. Let's say you want to add bank details of Skrill and you want to receive money through Skrill, so you can just search that over here like Skrill, and you can see that we have Skrill over here. Zero transaction fee, and we have at least 23 plus payment methods over here. So in my opinion, this is one of the good. Also, you can create your own Skrill account and connect that over here. These are some things which you can use for as a beginner. You must know once you are setting up your Shopify payments. So there is one more thing you should know as a beginner once you are creating your Shopify payment setup. On the left side of the menu, click on taxes and duties, because obviously your country might charge for taxes as well. So here you can see your regions over here. You can select them from over here, and if you don't see any region, that means they might not deduct your taxes. Maybe I might be wrong, so make sure you need to check it out on Google. But right now we have some over here like Australia, Canada, European Union, and you can also scroll for like United States, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates. So you can see that we have multiple more over here. And once you are happy with your region, just click on that and you will see that over here like GST collection. Like if you do business in Australia, you may be required to collect GST on sales in Australia. So make sure to check this out. After that, we have tax and rates exemptions. We have shipping overrides. You can add that over here as well. We have product overrides. You can add that over here as well. So there are some few things which you need to understand over here. If you scroll down, we have like connect your preferred sale tax service to Shopify. You can also do that. We can see collected tax report from over here. We have duties, import taxes, and you can compare the plans also. Obviously, make sure to advance your plan of your Shopify, and you can also do that from clicking on the left side of the menu plan, and you can do that from over here. Make sure to choose a plan from over here, and if you click the link in the description, this would take you to the page where you are going to get 3 months free for only $1. So in my opinion, go ahead and check the description, and after that you will be ready to use Shopify. So that's it. This is all the things you must know before you start and setting up your Shopify payments. As a beginner, I hope you understand every single thing. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.